We're inside at this time. This is the front that we just looked, the cab. You'll see the TV, 2 cabinets above, a lot of storage inside. Storage above the couch. Here's the couch. The couch makes into a bed. This is the table. 2 chairs. The chairs flatten out and the table goes down and makes into another bed. There's more storage cabinetry. And there's a bed up in front over the cab that pulls out to make a bed also. Mainly suitable for a child. It's got a ladder that goes with it to climb up there. It's right where the TV is, but it situates back in here to the 2 corners, so it's secure. This is the refrigerator. These are some of the storage cabinets. Freezer, refrigerator. This is the microwave, the